But Tarzan is family is traveling now until the bay and turn around and say bye bye to the people, bye bye. You will never see them again. Okay, now we are traveling on the longest river in the world. But it is 4,000 miles long, but so very. I know it's shock color. Wow, you look at your left side. Yeah, this is a mother elephant and baby elephant. She is teaching him how to use his trunk. Okay, now look at your right hand side. It is a brother elephant. Wow, she is showering now. Wow, you look all those wrinkles. She has been under the water too long. Wow, wow, see, wow. The brother how the elephant is welcoming us. Wow, we won't get lost. Don't try again. Don't put in the water again. Wow, be careful, be careful. Wow, what's everyone? It's okay. Okay, now we are at the temple ruins. Okay, you can look at your left side. This is a big spider. It can jump over 20 feet. But don't worry, we are only 10 feet away. Okay, wow, we are at the Asian temple of Malaysia. This is a elephant god. And the left and right hand side is a king cobra. Wow! Shh! Keep quiet! The left hand side still has one. Just keep quiet, keep quiet. Okay, up ahead. What do you see? What do you see up ahead? Yeah, crocodile. Yeah, right, that's a crocodile pool now. Wow, so you look at them, they didn't have their show, please. Keep your hand and leg inside the bowl. Thank you. Wow, up ahead, we are right, the Professor Potter cancer. But he didn't know he was so now we become a Goria cancer now. Wow, what happened? He played a gun. Wow, it's so dangerous. Okay, up ahead, we are right, Africa. What do you see the zebra and giraffe? They have many different kinds of animals. Hello, we just say hello to the African elephant. Elephant, wow, he can listen English. There's a mountain here. Animal, his mother-in-law in the jungle. Wow, now we are right a hippo now. Wow, they have, each of them have picked up number one. The left side still have one. Wow, smell bear, right? Wow, the driver is carrying the tree. Wow, you look. They were scared by the hippo. Wow, now we are by the hunter territory. But don't worry, I know they are usually not at home, so we just keep quiet, it's okay. Keep quiet, keep quiet. Oh, what that is it? What that is it? What that is it? Did anyone get hurt? Did anyone get hurt? No, are you okay, right? Okay, now we back to the door now. Wow, let's bring cancer us. The tree is very close to finish. Yeah, wow. Oh no, what happened? Wow. Wow, baby, take a seat, baby, take a seat. Yes. Wow. Oh no, we are right, the canyon on the go. This was at the fire go and want to go. Whoa, they eyes, they, oh no, how can we do? Oh no. Oh, the fire go is burning. Oh no, no. What is both? No one, right? Okay. It's so great. Okay, wow, now you look at your left-hand side. What is? Hello, yeah, this is a baby elephant. Please welcome back us. Hello, please take a seat. Please take a seat. Please take a seat. Yeah. Please welcome back us. You just say bye-bye to him. Hello. Yeah. And when before we back to the door, hello. Please keep your hand and leg inside the bowl. Yes, thank you. Oh, keep your leg and leg inside the bowl. Do you enjoy the cheese? Do you enjoy? Yes, you enjoy. Just remember my name, Vicky. If you didn't, just forgive me. It's okay, I think. Okay, hello, baby. Take a sit down, baby. Yeah. It's so thank you. Yes, okay. We came back to the door now. Okay, hello girls, please keep your hand. Hello girls, please keep your hand inside the bowl. Thank you. Now we're back to the door. And then I need to remind you, don't close the window later. If you close the window, you will become a gorilla. Do you want to become a gorilla? Yeah, right. Then you just need to close the window and use the exit. It's okay. Please. Hello girls.